This is Diane Heisig. I will be showing how to add a new table to the data model found on page 173. It's a picture of my horse Addie. To start, I'm going to go to the Locations tab. On this tab is information for locations for a company. I would want to add this data to the data model, for example, if I might want to connect the branches to the number employees or to transactions. So to do this, I'd want to first go into Insert and select Table. I want to make sure that my range is correct and then click OK. And now my data has now been turned into a table. So to add it to the data model, I'm going to go over here to Data, Connections, and then I'm going to go to the drop-down arrow next to Add. Click Add to the data model, change to the Tables tab, and I'm going to select Table 3. So from here, I'm going to click Open, and now you can see it's been added to the connections. So it has now been added to the data model. So I'm going to click Close. And if with this table, I'm not able to connect it to transactions or employees because I don't have any common field between either of the other tables. There's no market, region, or branch information listed in either of the other two tables. But for example, if I did, I would go over here to under the Data tab to Relationships. I would add a new. I would select Table 3, and I would pick whichever one of these would match up to something on the other table. So for example, I'll just pick Market, and then if employees had a market field also, then I would go ahead and select that, and then I would go ahead and click OK. Unfortunately, I'm not able to finish this because there is not a common field or a field that is common between the other tabs, other charts. So that would be how you would do that, how you would update and create a new relationship. So that way you could add all three tables, pull the data from all three tables into one pivot table. So for this, I'm going to just go ahead and click Cancel and close out of everything. For this presentation, I used Excel 2013 Pivot Table Data Crunching as my resource, and I've used the data files from that textbook. Thank you.